Alright guys, so in this video we'll write an abstract program in C# to display in terms of natural number, and there's some. First of all, I've taken help from this website. I'll mention W3 resource, you can go and check them. They are so helpful. Every piece of code is available. Not only this, they have all these HTML, CSS, JavaScript, HTML5, and all your backend programming, your data ingestion. I don't know even what is Ajax. I've heard of it, but I've not studied this thing. So there is so much to discover. PHP, Python, Java, Node.js, Ruby, C programming, SQL 2003 API. This person have APIs. Okay, XML, JSON, Ajax, HTML, CSS exercises, Java exercises, Python programming, Java, SQL exercises, Oracle. This website and a computer science person combines, and you have heard the song Pippin, Apple, Apple Pen. So it's actually this website and a computer science student combined Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, so that's how powerful this website is. Anyways, just let's stick to the point. What this program is saying is the write abstract program in C# to display in terms of natural number, and there are some. What they've done over here is int I, and sum is initialized to 0. Console.writeLine, find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. Console.writeLine, the first 10 natural numbers are, what they've done is they have iterated a for loop, and which is initialized to 1 till 10, and sum, which was 0 initially, sum is equals to sum plus 1. And console, this is your out indexing method of outputting data. This indexing method or indexing way of outputting, is outputting a word? Is that even a good word? Outputting data. Well, let's just put 2 to 4 threes, make sure it's wrong. Okay, so indexing way of outputting data. Console.write, the sum is, and after this loop ends, the value of sum, whatever the value of the sum is, it's gonna print out the value of sum here. Let's just hit F5, see where the value comes in. The first, find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. The first 10 natural numbers are 1 2 3 4 5. First is gonna print out those numbers, and then when it comes out of this loop, it's gonna say the sum is 55.